In this video, I am going to show you how to install Blink Streams on your Firestick. First, ensure that your Firestick is connected to your TV and has an active internet connection. From the home screen, navigate to Settings at the top of the screen. Next, scroll down and select My Fire TV or device. Then choose Developer Options. Make sure to enable Apps from Unknown Sources. This setting allows you to install applications that are not available in the Amazon App Store. Now go back to the home screen and search for the Downloader app. If you haven't installed it yet, download and install it. The Downloader app will enable you to download files directly to your Firestick. Open the Downloader app and in the URL field, enter the official download link for the Blink Streams APK. You can usually find this link on the official Blink Streams website or trusted sources. Click Go to start the download process. Once the download is complete, you'll see the installation prompt. Click Install to begin installing Blink Streams. After the installation is finished, you can choose to delete the APK file to free up space on your device. Finally, return to the home screen and you should see Blink Streams in your apps list. Launch the app and you're ready to enjoy streaming your favorite content. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.